Hi friends, now in this video we're going to understand some auditing tools from the Microsoft Excel application. Those are show formulas, trace, precedents, dependents, remove and evaluate formulas and formula text, and also the showing arrows and formulas as well. So here we just see that I already calculated this total is based on, just press F2 to show the formula, actually the dependents. So press F2 here, the D4, that means quantity, into E4, that means rate. So here the result is at 455, and here these four, the result of 455 is dependent on the quantity and rate, correct? So here we'll just see the next tax percentage. So E equals to the total tax percentage into total tax percentage into, and here 10%, and you do not use this formula like this because here I'm using the formula in G4. I'm using the formula in G4. The data is collected from F4 and C15. Once again I repeat, I'm using the formula in G4. The data is collected from F4 and C15, and press enter. Now this time the result is perfect. Just simply select the cell and press F2. This F4 means 455 into C15 means 10%, is correct? Yes, but whenever you just simply drag down to +1 cell, if you once drag down the formula to +1 cell, even the cell inputs also will be moved to +1 cell. Here it is collecting 1850, correct, but here it was forwarded from C15 to C16. There is nothing in C15. It means there is a change in total, but there is no change. The address, the percentage is still available in the initial cell. So if you don't want to add +1 cell for a string, then simply when you are using the formula, just simply enter equals to 455 into 455 into, here I'm using simple 455 because in the +1 cell I would like to get the data from +1, but the formula, but no, not the formula, but the percentage is available in a single cell. So if you want to get a standard input, if the address is C15, very simple, enter. If the address is C15, $C$15, that means we are going to take the input of the C15 from a single standard string. Then press enter. Yes, 455 into 10%, that means 45. And again, if you once drag down, this time, see here we have taken the input from F4. Here when you goes to G5, automatically the input has been changed to F5. Here we have taken from F4, here automatically system changed to F5, but still in this cell we have taken the data from C15, and here also the system is continuing collecting the data from same C15 here, because we have used a dollar is indicate to collect a data from a single string for a range. That's it. So simply just drag down. Yes, and this time here this total is dependent on quantity and rate, and this tax calculation is dependent on total and percentage. And here again grand total equals to the total plus tax equals to grand total, and then simply use this, right? So now we'll just work out on the auditing tools. First I would like to show the formulas. So very simple, just go to the formula tab, and there you can click on show formulas. So wherever you have used the formulas in the sheet, system is going to display the total formulas that has been used. So here to calculate the total we have used D4 into E4, and to calculate the tax we have used F4 and C15. Again to use the to do the calculation we have taken F, that means total plus tax, that equals to grand total. Simply just click on close. So this is how we can show the formulas. And also we just do one thing, and that is the trace precedence. So here I'm selecting the cell address of 455. I'm selecting the cell address of 455. These 455, the precedence, how the which values has been used to calculate this 455. Very simple. Simply click on trace precedence. It means the 13 and 35. 13 and 35 is used to calculate 45. That's it. And I have a doubt that there is a value which is 14. I would like to get that in which cell this value is used. Again, simply click on trace dependence. So here this is a cell that are used. Again, for better understanding, I'm going to show one more, and just simply click on remove arrows, right? And here this 10% is used. Here this 10% is used in all the calculation of tax, right? So simply select the cell and click on trace dependence. It means yes, this 10% calculation has been taken to all these cells. Is it clear? Remove. Once again I repeat, this grand total is dependent on total tax and tax percentage, correct? So simply select the cell, click on trace precedence. So 45 and 455 and 45 is used in 500 calculation, and to calculate this tax we have taken the data of 455 and 10. Simply remove, and this 10% has been this 10% value as used in the list of tax percentage. Again, remove arrows. Next we'll be looking that evaluate formula. Before that, we'll just see that how to convert a formula into text. Very simple. Here there is a formula that has been used. So simply use equals to formula text and simply select the cell and click on OK. So this is the equals to formula text, open bracket, select the cell address and close bracket. So this is used to convert to display, not convert, to display a formula. So here it is going to display, here it is going to display the value. And if you would like to see a formula in a different string, then simply use the formula called as equal to formula text, open bracket, select the cell address and close bracket, and simply can use the drag down. Yes, and here I just come up with to evaluate a formula. Here you can see that actually I have written some value here. Here I have written actually equals to 2000 into 10 plus 35 minus 250 by 10. And here it is going to display a direct value is at 20,010 rupees. But actually I would like to get a knowledge about that, how actually the calculation was done, right? So here if you like to evaluate this, simply select the cell address and go to formula tab. In the formula tab, in the formula auditing tool, there is an option called as evaluate formula. Simply select this evaluate formula, and here it is going to see that. So first it is calculating, the first step of the calculation is that 2000 into 10. 2000 into 10. So simply click on evaluate. So first it calculated 2000 into 10, and the result of 2000 into 10, that is 20,000. And after that it has done the second step of the calculation is that 20,000 plus 35, and now it is the 20,000 and 35 and after that it is not calculating the 20,035 minus 250. It is calculating 250 by 10 as per the calculation. So here 250 by 10, the 250 by 10 is at 25, 250 by 10 is at 25, and now it is finally calculating 20,035 minus 25. 20,035 minus 25, that means 20,010. So this is how it works. Thank you.